Pufferfish farming can be a unique and profitable business venture if properly planned and maintained with proper training. Pufferfish farming, also known as pufferfish aquaculture, is a niche segment of aquaculture primarily focused on raising pufferfish species for food, research, or ornamental purposes. Pufferfish, particularly in East Asia, are valued for their unique taste and texture. Fugu is considered a luxury dish. Brightly colored pufferfish species are sought after by aquarium enthusiasts. Tetrodotoxin, a potent neurotoxin found in some pufferfish, has garnered interest in medical research. Dear viewers, today we will know how to make money by farming pufferfish. Today's episode is about all the aspects of pufferfish farming. Pufferfish are commonly found in both marine and freshwater, and certain species such as the Fahaka puffer and the green-spotted puffer are suitable for farming in freshwater. The size of the pond or tank will depend on the species and number of puffer fish. Use a tank that is about 3 to 5 feet deep and has enough space. The tank should have adequate lighting and shade. You can place rocks or pieces of wood in the tank, as puffer fish like to hide in these places. Water pH value, 6.5 to 8.5. The amount of dissolved oxygen in the water should always be adequate. Providing the right food and nutrition is very important in pufferfish farming. This ensures the growth, disease resistance, and overall health of the fish. Snails and mussels are the favorite food of pufferfish. They help the fish wear down its teeth naturally. Small shrimp, fish larvae, or roe can be used. Good quality pellet feed is used to meet the protein needs of the fish. 40 to 50% of the food should consist of protein, which ensures the growth of the fish. Feed 2 to 3 times a day. Provide enough food so that the puffer fish can eat a full stomach, but avoid overfeeding. Keep the remaining food in the tank clean so that the water does not become contaminated. A large and spacious tank is required for breeding. A 50 to 100 gallon tank is best for keeping multiple fish. Rocks, plants, or artificial shelters should be created, as puffer fish prefer quiet places during breeding. Males are more active during breeding and their abdomens are slightly thin. Females are relatively large and their abdomens are swollen. Female puffer fish lay eggs on rocks or sandy areas. They can lay more than 100 eggs at a time. The male fertilizes the eggs and usually guards them. Eggs usually take 4 to 7 days to hatch. The water temperature and oxygen levels must be kept correct during hatching. For the first 2 to 3 days, they feed on their egg nutrition. Later, zooplankton, infusoria, or very fine food should be provided. It is best to remove the parent fish immediately after breeding, as they can sometimes eat the eggs or fry. Not all puffer fish species breed in captivity. Therefore, it is important to select the right species. Use a good quality filter to filter the water. Take prompt action if you see white spots on the fish's body, fin rot, or unusual behavior. Apply the right medication if the disease occurs. Quarantine